Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best antiviral mouthwash is probably one of the most sought-after products in recent times, given the increased awareness of oral hygiene and its connection to overall health. This comprehensive review dives deep into the world of antiviral mouthwash, exploring its benefits, mechanisms of action, and most importantly, helping you choose the perfect one for your needs, ensuring you're well-informed to make the best decision for your oral health journey. Number 5. Listerine Total Care Mouthwash. It's the Total Care mouthwash that helps you maintain optimal oral health. It's clinically proven to provide multiple benefits for a healthier mouth. This mouthwash eliminates almost all the germs that cause bad breath, leaving you with fresh, confident breath all day long. It strengthens your teeth, helps prevent cavities, and even restores enamel. It's a powerful tool in your oral care routine. Experience a cleaning power 5 times greater than brushing and flossing alone. It's a game changer for oral hygiene. This mouthwash has earned the prestigious ADA seal of acceptance, so you can trust its effectiveness and safety. It's a product dentists recommend. For best results, rinse with it for 60 seconds twice a day. Make it part of your morning and evening oral care routine for all-day protection. What we like. It strengthens your teeth and prevents cavities. The formula is accepted by the American Dental Association, ensuring quality and effectiveness. If you're looking for a mouthwash that provides comprehensive oral care and is backed by dental professionals, this is the one for you. What people say. It restores your enamel. I have really sensitive teeth that are problematic when I eat something really hot or really cold. I have been using this Listerine for a few weeks before I noticed that sensitivity decreasing significantly. Listerine Total Care is a game changer. It kills 99% of bad breath germs and helps prevent cavities, all while leaving my mouth feeling super fresh with its minty flavor. This fluoride mouthwash is a reliable addition to my daily routine. With 6 key benefits, including cavity protection and breath freshness, it offers a straightforward solution for maintaining oral health. The minty flavor leaves my mouth feeling clean and refreshed, ensuring lasting breath confidence. The added fluoride enhances cavity prevention, providing comprehensive dental care. Number 4. TheraBreath Icy Mint Mouthwash. It's clinically proven to fight bad breath for a full 24 hours. Just use it twice a day after brushing and flossing. Created by a dentist in 1993, this mouthwash is a trusted solution for fresh breath. It's been helping people for decades. It's gentle and effective, with an alcohol-free formula that's been accepted by the American Dental Association. No burning sensation. It helps you feel confident and ready to take on the world. Because fresh breath is essential for a positive self-image. Millions of people are already enjoying the benefits of this amazing mouthwash. Try it and see the difference. Experience the invigorating icy mint flavor that leaves your mouth feeling clean and refreshed. It's the perfect way to start and end your day. What we like. This mouthwash provides long-lasting fresh breath for up to 24 hours. It's alcohol-free, making it gentle on sensitive mouths. If you need all-day confidence and prefer a non-irritating formula, this is a great choice. What people say. This alcohol-free gem doesn't set your mouth on fire like you just gargled gasoline. Instead, it's gentle but still kicks bad breath to the curb. The icy mint flavor is a perfect balance. It's minty enough to scream "I just brushed," but not so intense that it feels like your taste buds are being punished. As a dentist, I recommend this product. I personally use it 2 or 3 times daily as it is quite refreshing and keeps my mouth germ-free. Number 3. Colgate Peroxyl Mouthwash. This mouthwash gently cleanses your mouth and helps promote healing of minor oral wounds. It's perfect for soothing irritation and discomfort. It helps promote healing of oral sores, irritations, and even mouth burns. The formula is designed to be gentle yet effective. It works by removing oral debris through its oxygenating action, which helps facilitate healing. This keeps your mouth clean and healthy. It soothes minor gum inflammation that can be caused by dental procedures, dentures, or orthodontic appliances. It's alcohol-free for added gentleness. This antiseptic mouthwash is alcohol-free, making it a comfortable and effective choice for daily oral care. Experience the soothing relief it provides. Colgate Peroxyl Mouthwash provides gentle yet effective relief for various oral discomforts. Try it today and experience the difference. What we like. It effectively promotes the healing of minor mouth wounds and irritations. The alcohol-free formula is gentle yet effective. If you have mouth sores or need relief from irritation, this mouthwash is perfect for you. What people say. The 1.5% hydrogen peroxide formula works wonders for mouth sores and irritations, providing noticeable relief and promoting faster healing. Within just a few uses, the discomfort subsides, leaving my mouth feeling cleaner and more refreshed. I had an area in my mouth around an implant that my dentist was not too thrilled with. I have been water flossing and that helps, but the addition of this rinse into my routine has really made a difference. No more tenderness. I had a tooth infection and sensitivity gum pain after a few dental procedures, and this helped a lot. The foaming was quite nice and it tasted good. I'm very happy that it helped heal some of the issues in my mouth. Number 2. TheraBreath Healthy Gums Mouthwash. This mouthwash is dentist formulated to help fight gingivitis and bleeding gums, providing 24-hour protection when used as directed. It's a great way to maintain healthy gums. It's a non-burning formula, so you can enjoy the fresh feeling without the harshness of alcohol. It starts working instantly to freshen your breath. Created by a dentist in 1993 to help his daughter, it's a trusted formula that's been helping people achieve healthy gums and fresh breath for years. This mouthwash provides long-lasting protection against gingivitis and bleeding gums. Use it daily for optimal results. We believe you should define success your way. It's a better mouthwash that helps you feel confident and ready to take on the world. Try the number 1 fastest growing mouthwash brand in the USA. What we like. This mouthwash actively combats gingivitis and bleeding gums. It's alcohol-free and dentist formulated for reliable results. If you are concerned about gum health, this is the mouthwash for you. What people say. After 2 failed attempts to book a normal cleaning only to be sold a $6,000 dental estimate for deep cleaning and being told this is the only solution to support my gum health when I do not want my gums cut into. Several weeks of research and receiving this wash yesterday and using only 2 times I could feel it working immediately. When I first started using this product years ago, I was trying everything as I had an issue with my gums overgrowing and being swollen. Brushing, homeopathic, nor other mouthwashes did anything to correct the issue. I used this per a recommendation and within days I saw the gums starting to heal and shrink. After about 2 weeks, they were back to where they were supposed to be. I have significant gum recession and tend to collect food in between my teeth as a result. I am diligent about flossing and using toothpicks to get rid of the food, but tend to have problem areas that become inflamed and painful. I ended up trying gum rinse products to better control this, and TheraBreath Healthy Gums Mouthwash was the third and final product I tried. I use it twice daily and my gum pain has totally disappeared. I am sold on this product and highly recommend it. Number 1. GuruNanda Original Oil Pulling Kit. Experience the ancient Ayurvedic tradition of oil pulling with our complete kit. It's a natural way to promote healthy teeth, gums, and fresh breath. You'll receive a bottle of our unique oil pulling blend and a convenient tongue scraper. Everything you need for a complete oral care routine. Our alcohol-free formula combines coconut, sesame, and sunflower oils for deep cleaning. Peppermint essential oil provides a refreshing sensation. Simply swish 10 to 15 milliliters of the oil for 2 minutes, gradually increasing to 10 minutes. Remember to discard the oil in the trash. It helps remove plaque, supports healthy gums and teeth, and promotes saliva production for a brighter, healthier smile. It's a simple addition to your daily routine. It's made with care in the USA using both domestic and international ingredients. It's free of fluoride and added preservatives, safe for adults and children over 12, with supervision. What we like. It uses a natural oil pulling method with a blend of pure oils. It's free from alcohol and fluoride, making it a gentle yet effective option. If you prefer natural and holistic oral care, this is a great option to consider. What people say. Cleans your teeth, gums, and tongue as it said it would. Really helps with bad breath and getting your gums healthy. The tongue scraper works wonders, and it's crazy to see how dirty it can get between brushes. My gums already look and feel healthier. It seems like a hidden miracle product and wish I discovered it a long time ago. Before, when flossing, there were a few teeth that bled, and after a few days of using this, I haven't noticed that happening either. My teeth look to be getting whiter also, which is a plus. It's easily rinsed with warm water and my mouth health has improved literally after one use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.